Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of premium laptops with a detailed review of the HP Spectre x360 2024. If you're in the market for a stylish, powerful, and versatile laptop, this might just be the one for you. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the unboxing experience. The HP Spectre x360 comes in premium packaging, and the moment you lift that lid, you're greeted by this sleek and lightweight beauty. The aluminum chassis and diamond-cut edges are stunning, giving it a luxurious feel. But it's not just about looks. This is a 2-in-1 convertible laptop, meaning it can adapt to your needs, whether you're working, binge-watching, or sketching your next masterpiece. Now, let's talk about the display. It features a 16-inch 4K OLED touchscreen, and honestly, the colors are so vivid, it feels like the images are popping right out of the screen. If you're a creative professional or a student, you'll absolutely love the accuracy and clarity. And yes, it comes with a stylus. Taking notes, drawing, or editing photos has never felt smoother. Under the hood, this laptop is a beast. With the Intel Core Ultra 7155H processor, it handles multitasking like a pro. Editing videos? Check. Running multiple apps? No problem. And with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage, there's more than enough space and speed for everything you need. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can it game? The answer is yes. While it's not a dedicated gaming laptop, the HP Spectre x360 performed surprisingly well in our gaming test. Titles like Valorant and Fortnite ran smoothly on medium settings. So if you want a laptop that can handle work and some casual gaming, this is a solid choice. Let's move on to battery life, because nobody likes being tethered to a charger. The HP Spectre x360 gives you up to 10 hours of use on a full charge. And when you do need to recharge, the fast charging feature gets you back to 50% in just 30 minutes. Perfect for those busy days when you're always on the go. One of my favorite things about this laptop is how portable it is. At under 4 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry to class, the office, or even a coffee shop. Plus, the convertible design means it fits any situation, whether you're typing away in laptop mode or sharing ideas in tablet mode. So, why should you consider the HP Spectre x360? It's versatile, powerful, and absolutely gorgeous. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants a reliable and stylish laptop, this one ticks all the boxes. From the 4K OLED display to the Intel Core Ultra processor, it's a laptop that works hard and looks good doing it. If you're ready to elevate your tech game, the HP Spectre x360 is waiting for you. Check the link in the description to grab yours today and experience the future of computing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.